Good fucking God.
Did you picture
I was at
this?
sea for 6 months and I didn't sign up for this shit.
Did you picture yourself doing this when you woke up this morning, laying on the ground, trying to kick a stripper pole out of the ground?
I picture fucking a stripper. Ah! Alright. Fuck. Welcome to episode 5 of White Fucking Trash, the goddamn motherfucking stripper pole. Turn it.
Which way?
Yeah, there you go, it's going down.
So that's good?
Yeah, it's going.
It's going down. Meet me at the... Does it even say in the squat? Pretend it's a prostitute.
Get out of my fucking car!
Ready? 2, 3, This Brad's gonna be an opposite of what you just went.
It's like, open the door over there, you get a running start, and you fucking drop kick it right at the ankles. And it might come about.
You know, we had to put together those things and grocery receiving. We got locked in the freezer, had to push that one together. Mm-hmm. It seems like we are just not destined to be building stuff.
Get out of my ass! I didn't sign up for this!
I'm gonna pull the carpet.
Yeah. That's what I was thinking to begin
what
with.
you're doing, Devin? I'm gonna pull the carpet.
I didn't.
I'm
I did not sign
I just heard
up
the carpet
for
rip.
finish.
Oh, there you go. You got it. Come on. There it is. Boom.
Wow.
Got it.
Oh shit.
Yeah, let it fall.
Oh shit.
I was gonna let it fall on Devin for destroying everything. Oh my god.
What happened?
It went through
It's
the
fused with the carpet. Look, back up, Devin.
The screws are.
I'm gonna buy you all new shit now, guys.
Through the.
This is my Mortal Kombat weapon. My magic flying carpet. Oh my god.
It did. It went. Oh my wow. Holy hell.
Yoo-hoo! That's what I was just about to say.
This is what we can fucking do. I'm gonna tell my parents, be like, hey, so we actually bought the thing. We tried getting it in, something was wrong with it. We didn't realize it until it was too fucking late. And
Hey, what you doing? Bitch, you stole my fucking chicken nugget.
What, man?
Yes, you did. Yeah, you did.
Mm.
You better replace it.
Okay.
It's not replacing it.